Aren't you ready to test the candies? Tell me, how many candies do you like to have? Meena wants 5 candies. Rahul wants 15 candies. How are you going to manage? Dear friends, if someone demands more items than you have, how do you manage? Either you buy more or borrow them from neighbor. How many pens are there in both the packets? There are 10 pens in one packet and 10 pens in other packet. So there are 20 pens in all. Shreya has demanded 12 pens. Can we give her 12 pens? We give 10 pens from first packet, but then 2 pens are yet to be given to her. For that, we shall have to open the second packet and take out 2 pens. Now take out 2 pens out of it and there are 8 pens remaining. Now how many pens are remaining in the second packet? 8 pens. If we have to show it in the mathematical form, this is how we will show. Let us write in the following table. 2 tens 0 units minus 1 tens 2 units. The steps of subtraction are shown. 2 tens and 0 units. We can take out 2 out of 0. So we have separated out 1 tens out of 2 tens and 2 are subtracted from it. 8 are remaining. Now there is only 1 10 remaining out of 2 tens. We have subtracted 1 tens out of 12, so 8 are remaining. Students, you have 17 pencils, that is 1 10 and 7 units. Out of that, you are giving me 9 pencils. Now, you cannot give 9 pencils from 7 units. So, we shall split 1 10. So, there are 17 units of pencils. We shall take out 9 pencils out of them. So, there are 8 pencils left, that is 8 units. Are there any tens left? No. We have split 1 tens and subtracted 1 tens. Now, same example in other form can be written like this. Tens, 1 tens, 7 units. 1 tens is split and now we have 17 units. We have 1 tens and 7 units of pencils. We shall place them in columns of tens and units. We have to give 9 pencils, so we write 9 in the column of units. We cannot subtract 9 units from 7 units, therefore we have 17 units of pencils and none in tens. So tens are 0. If we take out 9 pencils from 17 pencils, 8 are remaining. We shall study one more example. The grandma has a garland of 40 flowers and there are 3 separate flowers. Rama wants 28 separate flowers. How many flowers remain with grandma? 4 garlands, 3 separate flowers. We shall write in tens and units. 4 tens, 3 units. Now we cannot subtract 8 units from 3 units, so we split 1 tens, that is separate flowers from 1 garland. So there are 10 and 3 separate flowers in units. But 1 tens will be less, so there are 3 tens left, 3 tens and 13 units. Now we shall subtract 8 flowers from 13 flowers and also we shall take aside 2 tens out of 3 tens. The grandma has 1 tens and 5 separate flowers with her. In this way, we subtract by carrying over after splitting the tens. 4 tens and 3 units minus 2 tens and 8 units. After splitting 1 10, we have 13 units. So finally, we have 1 tens and 5 units. Grandma has 1 tens and 5 separate flowers with her. In this way, we subtract by carrying over after splitting the tens. What did we learn? While subtracting by carrying over, one must split the tens. We start the subtraction from the column of units. We take 2 digits for convenience, but there is only 1 digit in the column of units. Exercise. Do the subtractions. 40 minus 25, 64 minus 48, 92 minus 55, 71 minus 36.